Hi, my name is Mike. If a list of tasks needs to be performed iteratively to enter context-specific setup data, then those tasks may require selecting the context, known as the scope, before entering setup data. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to select Scope. To begin, go to the Setup page for Procurement. First, choose Procurement, then Organization Structures. Now choose to display all of the tasks for this functional area. The Scope column displays the value that was selected last. In this case, you haven't performed these tasks before, and therefore no scope is selected. So, select a scope now. For this task, the scope is Business Unit Business Function. Set up the Business Unit Business Function for the business unit called Vision Retail. First, search for Vision Retail. Select it. Then save and close to add it as the scope. After you save your scope selection, the Assigned Business Functions page is displayed. This is where you can enter setup information as necessary. For now, just save and close. Notice that the scope for all of the relevant tasks is set to the same value that you selected last. You can now set up the other tasks for Vision Retail by drilling down on the task without having to select the scope for them individually. And you can change the scope if you need to. Select the current scope, then as before, choose Select and add the task, then search for and save the new business unit. Then close and save your changes. The scope is now Vision E and C. Thank you for watching.